Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. Today I want to bring to you something very special. I'm gonna make curry chicken. Have you ever tried curry chicken? I'm sure you have. Do you make it at home? If you don't know how to make it at home, I'm gonna show you how to, okay? And I hope you guys are enjoying your quarantine. I hope you're enjoying spending time with your family, and maybe you can learn new stuff. So today let's make some curry chicken. Let's get started, all right? All right, for our curry chicken, we are gonna need, of course, some chicken. Here I have about 3 pounds of chicken. We're gonna need 3 medium onion, some Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna put the whole thing because I have kids at home that eat the food too. So I'm probably gonna put just half, and it might still be a lot. So maybe less. 4 cloves of cube seasoning, 2 sticks of celery, and we're gonna need about 3 tablespoons of curry powder. Here I separated my curry powder. Here I have like 1 tablespoon. You will see why it's separated here too. So here I have a tablespoon of curry powder, thyme, ginger, and black pepper. And over here I have my mixed seasoning. This is something I do myself, so don't be fooled by the paprika container. I just put that in there. So the first thing we are gonna do is, let me set this thing here. The first thing I'm gonna do is to put about 1 tablespoon of mixed seasoning in the chicken. I think that's enough. About 1 tablespoon. All right, so I put my 1 tablespoon of mixed seasoning. Just mix, add the salt now. And we are going to leave it on the side to rest while we are preparing the other ingredients. And now what we're going to do now is to blend the onions and the celery, garlic together. Put our garlic, our clove, a little bit of pepper, and our magic cube. I'm going to add a little bit of water, just enough to blend everything. And hopefully I can close this. And just blend everything together. All right, everything is ready. Everything has been blended. Now we're gonna start with cooking our curry chicken. In my hot pan, I'm gonna add in my avocado oil. And don't worry, I'll give you all the recipe and the measurement. I'll post the recipe on my website. So do not worry, you will get everything. So and in the oil, I will put about like 2 tablespoons of my mixed ingredients. let it cook. So everything, it's been cooking for about a minute now. Now it's time to add in, this is the curry powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and let it cook also for another minute. So I just said we just added 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and we're just gonna let it cook for about a minute. So now it looks like our seasoning is cooked. You don't want to let it burn. It's now time to add in the chicken. Just mix everything together. So we are going to leave the chicken, we're not going to add water or anything. We are going to leave it to cook for about let it roast for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? All right, so the chicken has started releasing its own juice. It's time to add in the remaining mix. I'm just going to add the and I will add in the remaining dry ingredients. Alright, so now we are going to let it cook for about 5 minutes and check on it, okay? We'll be back. Nice. I think I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'll add about half a cup of water. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. It's almost ready. It's been about 5 minutes and I think our curry chicken is ready. Just back, stirring, and it's hot. You see how it's not too liquid, it's a bit thick. The chicken is not too like cooked to the point where everything is just melting. So it looks perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. It's really perfect. Velvety. The spice is perfect. That's it. If you make this recipe, let me know what you think. Send me pictures because I would love to see what you guys have done. All right? And thank you again for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video. If you like this recipe, please like the video and also subscribe because I'll be bringing more and more of these kind of recipes so you don't get bored during this time. All right? I'll see you next time. All right. Bye-bye. Love you.